In order to check your grades, first open up a Chrome tab and go to Clever. In Clever, you will see an icon that looks like this so that you can open up Infinite Campus. Your username for Infinite Campus is your student ID number or your lunch number. If you don't know this number, your teacher can look it up for you. Your password is your 8-digit birthday. So for example, Mrs. LaPaglia's birthday is August 10th, 1985. If she were a student, her password would be 08101985. Once you're logged into Infinite Campus, you will see on the left-hand side of the screen a button that says Grades. After you click that, you'll have something that looks like this. You can click on the course title, which is in blue in bigger letters. Once you're there, click Grades. And then you can see a breakdown of all of the different categories. Simply click on the category to see each individual assignment, what score you got on it, or if it's missing.